Today I will discuss how you can increase your metabolic rate, boost your mood, and even burn more calories without intentionally exercising. How? With NEAT. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis and refers to any energy we expend doing our daily activities that aren't eating, sleeping, or regimented exercise, like running or resistance training. Examples of NEAT include cleaning your house, walking your dog, climbing a flight of steps, and even actions like pacing while you're on your phone or fidgeting. Before you scroll on because you think this is ridiculous, let me help you understand how significant your NEAT is in regard to your daily activity. Your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE, refers to the total amount of calories you burn in a day. 70% of your energy goes towards maintaining your body and bodily functions, like breathing, circulation, etc. Then you have the thermic effect of food, or TEF. These are the calories it takes to digest your food. Next, you have exercise activity thermogenesis, or EAT, which refers to all formal exercise like spinning or weightlifting. And unless you're an athlete, that's only 5% of your daily energy expenditure. In comparison, NEAT makes up 15% of your daily energy expenditure. That means even if you feel like you're crushing it in your 60-minute workout that you do a few times a week, if you're on your butt for the majority of the day, you're living a sedentary lifestyle. Incorporating more NEAT in your daily regimen can positively improve your overall health in the long term. Combine more NEAT with mindful eating, and you'll get better results than hitting the gym for a few hours a week. Here are 5 steps you can take to increase your daily NEAT. Park a bit further. You don't have to park right in front of the main entrance. Park a few rows down and you'll gain a few extra steps in your day. Same goes for public transport. Get off 1 or 2 stops before your destination and you can enjoy a nice stroll, and it can help you unwind as well. The next one, take the steps. Skip the elevator and take the stairs. Especially if it's only 1 or 2 flights of steps. Come on now, you can do it. And if it's more, at least take the steps part of the way, and that's more than nothing. Next thing, have a walking meeting. Grab your shades, water bottle, or sugarless beverage and talk things over while you walk. Next thing, cook your meals at home. From chopping and flipping and tossing, you'll be surprised how much you have to move around while you're cooking in the kitchen. Do some house chores. Yard work, vacuuming, folding laundry while you're standing up, all counts towards your daily NEAT. And you'll have your house looking tidy as well. Just think about our ancestors. They didn't run on treadmills or lift weights. They just lived physically active lifestyles and ate less processed foods. And many of them were naturally lean and strong. But you don't have to go that far back. Have you ever noticed how much babies or young children move? They're constantly moving and fidgeting and burning so many calories, and that's why their caloric requirements are so high compared to their size. To be clear, there's tremendous benefit in regimented exercise like cardio and weight training, like increased muscle mass, cardiovascular benefits, and so much more. But why not optimize your health if it's so easy and free? #recession. So get up and watch this video next while you're washing the dishes or something. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!